Hello and welcome. My name is Oscar from the Finance Society at Stockholm Business School. Today we're going to look at reversal and engulfing patterns. And here we got a reverse pattern. These are reversal patterns, as I said. These are not as good as the topping tail that we looked at last week, but keep your eyes open because they offer some pretty good trades as well. So the general gist is you want to find a top or a bottom. Again, this is very hard to know when the top is and when the bottom is, but it should be in uncharted territories or just a very big spike. Maybe up to a pivot, a prior pivot, so you can draw a trend line. And what you want a top, check. You want a very big up bar in this case when we want to reverse to the downside. Of course, you could do it the other way around, and then you want a big red bar, so you can just bounce up. So you want a top, check. You want a big red bar, big green bar, like here, check. And then the next bar, you want it to reverse at least 50% of this green bar. So in this case, we have 50% somewhere around here, and we erase at least 50% of yesterday's gains. This signals that a top could be in place, and you should start looking at other signals for a reversal. Or you can just take the trade here at the close of the red candle with a stop out over the top of this candle. That's the reversal, and then we have the engulfing. The engulfing is even better. Again, we start going up. At a top, check. A big green bar, check. And then this engulfing bar that engulfs the whole body of this green candle. If it engulfs the wicks as well, that's even better, but it's not a must. So going up to top, big green bar, an even bigger red bar. So it engulfs the entire candle. This signals a top and should tell us that the market is going down again. And we're going to look at a couple of short examples. I found Electrolux, and we have here coming up, big red bar. It doesn't really engulf the wick and the absolute top. It's a very small miss, but it still is a miss, so you have to stick by your rules. And it just goes sideways, and now we engulf this entire area. So this is the big engulfing bar, and as you see, we go down sideways, and then just drop. So this is a good example of the engulfing bar. I would rather have seen it on the first one, but this is good enough. But again, it would be better if it was on the first one. And we're gonna look at another engulfing in GMCR. There we go. Here we have another one. Going up, going up, going up. Here we actually have a good topping tail that we could have traded. Could have traded for a loss because we closed over the wick. Just a side note. We go up, make a new top, as you can see. Uncharted territory. Make it top. We engulf the entire body of the candle, and we drop. So again, this is a good example. Going up, top, check. Big green candle, check. The red candle engulfs the entire green part of the previous candle. It engulfs that body, signals a downwards move, or a reversal I should say, and we go down and we lose 35-40% of the value of the stock. And we're gonna look at a reversal in the German DAX. And here we go up, 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 up. Again, uncharted territory. So we go up, 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 up. Big green candle, a red candle that reverses at least 50% of this green candle. Signals the top, so we can go short. In this case, we would have only got €4, but in this case, that's 3-4%. So that's a decent gain for a quick 4-day trade. But again, we go up, big green candle, we reverse 50% of the big green candle, signals a drop, and we go short. As we can see here, we went down and then just sideways, and slowly we go up again. So maybe this was incorrect. As always, you need to stick with your stop losses. But this is just a very easy topping signal that you should keep your eyes open for, because there are plenty of them if you just look around. Next week we're gonna look at some easy money management rules, so you don't do 100% of your portfolio into one trade. A bit about how big a position you should take, how you should put your stop losses, or how I think you should put your stop losses, because it's all up to you in the end. So don't come blame me if it doesn't work out. Yeah, till then, have a good one, and yeah, see you next week.